Hello, yous of the tubes. It's another day, and we are making another video. This will probably be its own segment. Cool. Yeah, we are here back in the shop, obviously. I don't know why I keep saying that because it's the only place I record. But yeah, we're getting ready to do some work. So today we will be working on separating the cylinders from the rest of the bottom half of the case, which I'm not sure how in depth that is, if I can just slip it right off and worry about the pistons later, or if I gotta remove rods, pistons, or anything like that first. That's why we have factory service manual. But yeah, let's get to work, shall we? Alright, so we've gotten about as far as we can today. Unfortunately, my main tool set has been in a storage unit for the last 5 years. So I've had to do all mechanical work I've done with my track tool set, but that's obviously a condensed tool set because I'm not taking the whole kit caboodle to track, just the essentials. And so over time I've taken mainly sockets and other specialty tools from here for that, so I can do all the things I've done over the last 5 years, to include previous engine swaps on the bike, that engine swap twice, to include putting new pistons in. I'm pointing at the STI right now, it's not really noticeable in the background. So yeah, I don't know why I keep clapping. But yeah, so that's where we stand. It's not a big deal because we've got plenty of time till I need the bike. There's no date that I need the SVX, and well, there's no date I need the STI really either. I would like to have it done by a certain time, but that'll be fairly fairly easy to get done. But yeah, that's where we stand. And hope you all enjoy the rest of your day, night, morning. Well, day qualifies for morning, but yeah. My nose is running, but yeah. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next episode. Bye.